thanks to Allah for our divine messenger, the most honorable Elijah Muhammad, and our divine reminder, the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan. I greet you, my brothers and sisters, and greetings of peace and paradise. Assalamu alaikum. It's a beautiful day for me because my brother is going to enlighten people. He's really going to enlighten people. Because 20 years ago, when I was lost, when I was gang banging, when I was out there, when I was rolling my blunts up, this brother came to me and told me the black man was God. And I could not believe it. I could not see it. I could not even understand it. Man, how you going to tell me the Kojic faith, the Pentecostal faith, the Baptist faith that the black man is God? But I watched this brother. I looked at this brother. I studied this brother. And when I realized this brother was walking like a God, I said, man, truly the black man is God. And I wanted to walk like this brother. I wanted to talk like this brother. But when this brother delivered me something, he said, well, man, I follow the teachings of the most honorable Elijah Muhammad. I said, now who is this brother? So when he showed me who this man was, when he showed me the message to the black man, when he showed me our Savior has come, when he showed me the fall of America, I said, you know what, brother Sadiq, I call him Brother Paul here. I said, you know what, man, I did something good. I want to follow that. I want to get a part of that. So he got me a suit. He will put me with him on the corner. I would sell papers, go on post with him, and not yet was I on post him. Not yet was I on the nation. This is 20 years ago. And 20 people.
Take your time, brother. Come on.
And 20 years ago, this is what that brother still in me. And today I'm walking. I'm out here trying to fish. I'm trying to save the brothers that need saving. And save the sisters that need saving. Because this is the brother that showed me.
Come on,
This is the brother that
brother.
gave me the right teaching, my teaching. Come in this walk. Brothers and sisters, the nation's building time. We got to start a nation building. And change start with the black man. I'm talking to you, black men. You gangster disciples. You vice lords. You peace stones. You crips. You bloods. You gangsters. You block calls. Shot calls. I'm talking to you. Like my brother said, I carry my guns. I bust my guns. I did time. You know what I'm saying? But we got to save our black man. Because they are a nation. A nation cursed with death. The world is shit to their head. So we can still face each other. It's nation building time, brothers. It's truly nation building. We gotta quit playing. Cause this is the common enemy. The common enemy got plans for us if we don't help them. Cause they gonna be the ones to fight the war too. Like I said, it's nation building time. And we gotta fight. We gotta stand up. But we gotta know ourselves first. We gotta have knowledge of self first. And you gotta understand these teachings. When you understand these teachings, when you